AFL stars on Brownlow Medal Night wow on multiple red carpets. The stars of the AFL are out in force at this year's Brownlow Medal ceremony, held in Perth for the first time. Perth Stadium is hosting the main count, with Gillon McLachlan reading out the votes in front of players and their partners from West Coast Eagles and Fremantle. There were a range of outfits on display at the venue before everything kicked off. The two grand finalists, Melbourne and the Western Bulldogs, are also in attendance, but they are being kept in a separate room to mitigate any possible COVID-19 risk. The AFL invited players from the other states to appear in locations closer to home, such as the Gabba, and they weren't going to miss out on the fashion action either. Players in New South Wales and Victoria appeared virtually at the count, some taking things more seriously than others.